Go in all apps and search the application. Application is CM Locker. Where is CM Locker? Open CM Locker applications. Go in shares menu and the skin lock and unlock select, and after the reset password select. Here is all on and enter this and choose your pattern which you want to this symbol. So select this tabs option. So I'm selected this option and select and enter a password you want, and then here select take photo and go in back and also back and select the introductor selfie and the choose years and required code entry select one times and email the selfies. Select change the email if you want to. You have email ID, then you can insert your email ID. If you don't have, please create a new Gmail account and enter this email ID in this application. So it's very important because when you enter the wrong code of any person in your Android phone, snap on picture from this person to send in the emails. Okay, in packs and tutorial albums, it's already correct, and yeah, going back, and now I'm going to lock this application from Android device, and he is locked. So I'm going to enable this so here at the pin code I'm entering correct pin code. So it's unlock this Android device. If I'm again going to lock this Android device and unlock, when we unlock give the password or incorrect password, then what will happen? Now see, incorrect password, and when we will enter this correct password after, what will happen? Here is snapping your pictures when you enter wrong password after, then automatically sometimes after you will be give this email and check your email.
You can also see your faces of whose person try to open your Android device, and also see the where is in located your device is in the try to open. Go in home menu and introduce selfie. Select and again click on the introduce albums. Select and it's open, and after you can see the faces of the photos who try to open your Android phone.